low turnovers, good high percentage shots, and get into the early bonus.
Now with a strong honorable mention to his backup, Raymond Felton, who helped trigger this run into the third, beginning of the fourth quarter. Russell Westbrook is our Thunder player of the game. Broad quarter, his 25th triple-double of this season.
For the Thunder.
At 10 a.m., OKCThunder.com/tickets. And all of a sudden, I'm back to thinking, you know, once you get in, anything can happen. And I'm back to thinking, Michael, the Thunder has weathered a number of storms. You know, the adjustment at the beginning of the season, adding George and adding Anthony and kind of muddling through that. And then the devastating loss of Andre Robertson. The Thunder had to hit a hard reset there. And all of a sudden, the Thunder is playing with a rhythm in a rousing come-from-behind victory. Carmelo Anthony part of the story as Oklahoma City is going again to the NBA playoffs. How about it, Thunder fans? How about it?
And it's the way they did it. Well, I tell you, this was a tough road that the Thunder took to get there. They clinched on the road against a hostile environment, a playoff-bound team in the Miami Heat.